Have you ever wished for a drink that tastes like vacation and boosts your health at the same time? Let me introduce you to my absolute favorite, the Pineapple Turmeric Smoothie. It's a sweet, golden glass of goodness that's as easy to make as it is to love. Here's how I do it. I grab a cup of fresh pineapple chunks, sweet, juicy, and packed with vitamin C. Into the blender they go. Then, I add half a frozen banana for creaminess and a small knob of fresh turmeric. If you don't have fresh, a teaspoon of ground turmeric works just fine. A pinch of black pepper is key. It helps your body absorb all that turmeric goodness. Next, I pour in a cup of coconut water for that hydrating tropical vibe and finish with a squeeze of fresh lime. Blend it up until it's silky smooth. The color? Bright yellow sunshine in a glass. Now, why am I obsessed with this smoothie? Pineapple is loaded with vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme that supports digestion and fights inflammation. Turmeric is famous for its anti-inflammatory power. Think joint health, glowing skin, and even a stronger immune system. Together, they're a dream team for anyone who loves feeling fresh and energized. So the next time you're craving something healthy and delicious, skip the store-bought juices and try this pineapple turmeric smoothie. Your body and your taste buds will thank you.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more healthy diets tips.